the value of the integral. So this is a very interesting question of numerical analysis. So in this video we'll be solving 5 to 10 questions. This is exponential of x squared of a rectangle approximated as 2, then the approximation error of I minus 2 modulus. So I equal to this thing. So since e to the power x squared is an even function, so this is an even function, so this I equal to 0. So giving the approximation of I using a rectangle rule is 2, approximately 2. So I minus 2, this value will be minus 2, so plus 2. So 2 belongs 2 by 3 to 2a. Okay. So obviously we can say that B is the correct answer. 18. X and y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 1, 2, 3 minus 4, 5. If the derivative of y of x is approximated as y dash x k is this, then the value of this is what? Okay. So delta y2 is y3 minus y2. So here in this case it's a minus 5. Delta square y2 is y4 minus 2y3 plus y2. 4 plus 6 plus 2, so this is 12. And delta qy2 is y5 minus 3y4, 3y3 minus y2. So here it will be minus 28. So y dash 2 is minus 5, 12 by 2 plus 28 by 4. So minus 5, 6, 7, 8 is the answer. So B. The root of the equation x into e to the power x between 0 to 1 obtained by using 2 iterations by bisections method. So fx equal to this thing, we can take x into e to the power x minus 1 and f0 equal to negative less than 0 and f1 is positive as it is e minus 1 anyway. So it lies between 0 to 1. So x1 is 0 plus 1 by 2, so half, and f of x1 is f of half, so this is 1 by root e minus 1 less than 0. So f of x1 into f of 1 less than 0. So hence the root lies in the interval 0.5 to 1. Okay. So x2 will be the next part, 0.5 plus 1 by 2, so 1.25. Sorry, 1.5, so 0.7. So answer is C. Now using the Euler's method, taking step size 0.1 approximate value y obtained by corresponding to x equal to 0.2, the initial value problem of this thing, y is equal to 1 is what? Okay. So in this case f of xy is x square plus y square, so f of 0 comma 1 is 1. So now y of 0.1 is y0, 0.1, f of 0 comma 1, so 1 plus 0.1, 1.1. So f of 0.1 comma 0.1, 0.1 square, 1.1 square. So 1.22. So y of 0.2 is y of 0.1, 0.1 f 0.1, 1.1. So y of 0.2 is 1.1, 0.1 into 1.22, so 1.222. So answer is C. Next one is consider the system of equation using Jacobi's method with the initial guess of this thing to approximate the values of these three. So this is a pretty direct one. So x of n plus 1 is 10 plus 5, y n by 5 and z n by also 5. So yn plus 1 here 12 by 4 2xn by z of n plus 1 minus 1 by 5 minus xn by 5 minus yn by 5. So also given x0 equal to 2, y0 equal to 3, z0 equal to 2. So x1 in this case will be 13 by 5 solving, y1 equal to 2 and z1 equal to minus 6 by 5. So this value 2.64, 1.7 and this is minus 1.12. So comparing this, C is the answer.